Facebook groups and cruise forums are a great way to ask questions about an upcoming cruise, but it seems that the same questions always get asked. In this video, I thought I could answer some of those questions. Each of these questions have a much deeper answer. For this video, I'm just going to give a basic answer. What size is the cruise card? Simply put, the cruise card they give you is the size of a credit card. Most people hold them in a lanyard rather than keep them in their wallet. This leads me to the second question. Do you get a lanyard with your cruise card? I've never been on a cruise where the cruise line gives you a lanyard to connect to your cruise card. The cruise lines do offer souvenir lanyards, but they are more expensive than what you will pay on land. How do I communicate on the ship with other passengers? Your best bet is to use the cruise line's app if it has a chat option. Don't worry about having to purchase the internet package. You don't need the internet to use the cruise line's app. All you need to do is connect to the ship's Wi-Fi. The cruise line may charge you a fee for using the chat feature though. If you're talking about communicating with people back home, then yes, you're going to need an internet package combined with something else like Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp. Another less techie answer is to use post-it notes and post them either in your cabin or on your cabin door. Should I get the internet package? This isn't a simple answer I can give you. To answer this, you need to ask yourself, is there a reason you need to use the internet while you're cruising, such as work or to keep in touch with someone? If not, you need to ask yourself, do I want to disconnect from the world and the internet? If the answer is yes, I want to disconnect, then you don't really need the internet. Before we get on to our last question and answer, have you got any cruise related questions that you want answered? Leave a comment and I'll see what I can do. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and if you have, thanks. Okay, our last question. Should I get the drinks package? Like the internet, you really need to ask yourself the following. What's your budget? Can you actually afford a drinks package? What does the drinks package actually include? This is so you know which one to get. Not all drinks packages include everything, and there might be a better suited one for you. And if there are any restrictions on the package you need to know about. If your answer is now yes, I want to get one, I suggest looking up a drinks calculator online to work out if it's worth it or not. If you're interested in a deeper answer about what to consider when buying the drinks package, have a look at this video here. And as always, thanks for watching.